Fabrication tools and equipment list. Cutting and shaping, plasma cutter, angle grinder, bandsaw, shears, including throatless shears, metal nibbler, die grinder, wire cutters, drills, chisels, measuring and marking, speed square, metal ruler, vernier calipers, spring compass, soapstone, center punch, measuring tape, joining and assembly, welding machine, MIG TIG stick, welding helmet, welding magnets, welding table, welding cables and holders, C-clamps, Cleco fasteners, welding robots, wrench set, pipe wrench, hand tools, hammers, including body and ball peen hammers, mallets, files, screwdrivers, wire brush, pliers, safety equipment, welding helmet, safety glasses, leather jacket and sleeves, leather gauntlet gloves, safety boots, welding blanket,